This quick guide, I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshot. To take a normal screenshot, you can use your 3 fingers and then swipe from top. There you go, you have successfully captured the screenshot. Now to take a portion of screenshot, you can long press by holding 3 finger, and then you can use this square button or circle. It's up to you. I'm just going to use circle for this time, and you can still mess with this. Let's try it for this PUBG Mobile and hit on save. Now your screenshot has been saved to your gallery, as you guys can see that. What if you wanted to screenshot long form like Wikipedia or any articles that you wanted to do that? You need to press and hold down power button and volume down button. Keep holding, and there you go. Now it is loading and creating the scroll effect. Okay, we have reached the limit and tap done. This is it, guys. This is the screenshot that you guys have taken. You can see on gallery right now, and you can literally zoom this without bursting the pixels. Every text and photos is readable and viewable. This is how you should take screenshot on Infinix Hot 60 Pro. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.